In this demo, we'll show how to do schema compare and metadata only deployment with ALM Toolkit. So first, I have a data model that's opened in my desktop and that's been published to a workspace. That workspace needs to be premium or premium per user on a premium or premium per user capacity, because you will need to connect to the XML endpoint to do the comparison. So after it's been published, I had created a couple more measures on my local model. And what I need to do is to compare my local model with what's being published to Power BI service. So I can launch ALM Toolkit from my External Tools tab in Power BI Desktop. Now, ALM Toolkit is smart enough to figure out I'm connected to this model using my desktop. And I've published this model to the XML endpoint, that premium workspace that I have. So I can do OK. Then it will ask me to sign in to my Azure ID and then pull the comparison for me. As you can see, the comparison is telling me everything else is the same, but you have created two measures that does exist in your source, which is your local model, and doesn't exist in your target, which is the version that's being published to your Power BI service. And you can see the definition of these by looking at the JSON code down here. And you have the options here, so you can include or exclude certain things, and depends on what metadata you update. You can also say, actually, I only want to update this particular measure into service. I'm going to ignore this change, so I can do skip here. And then I can validate the selection. It basically gives you warnings if there's something that the ALM Toolkit doesn't like. And then you can do update. And then this will do a metadata only deployment to the target, which is your Power BI service. And when I say it's metadata only deployment, that means you will need to go and refresh the Power BI data set to bring in the actual data.